Hi my pookies, how y'all doing?
Say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what?
I just wanted to start off this vlog because I know I didn't release a vlog on Sunday. Yeah, so I'm currently at work. I'm standing outside now because I just came to get a breather because today it's busy and I'm so tired. So I'm actually on lunch right now, but I ate lunch on my desk. That's how busy it was, and I was like, you know what, let me just take lunch and then go out and touch some grass. Unfortunately, I'm not touching grass. I'm just standing here and I'm just, but yeah, anyways guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much Pookie for coming back. And then if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I hope you're here to stay and I hope you like it. Today is a Monday at work, so I just wanted to start off the vlog. That's it. I don't know when I'm gonna speak to you guys again because I'm in the trenches. I'm not feeling well, honestly, today. I'm just not in the mood. I don't even want to interact with people, but I got to do what I got to do. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each and every time I post a video. And yeah, share, tell your friends, tell your family to watch my vlog. And then I'll see you guys some other time. So I'm at the beauty supply store now. I was getting a mask, this one, because I saw it somewhere and I want to try it out. So we're gonna pay now and then I'm gonna head home. Those are only 10 rand, can you believe it? I'm done now. I got 2 of these. I don't know which one I'm gonna put on first. I'll catch you guys whenever. I'm on my way home now.
Go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, that's to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come?
The sun is blinding me. I just got home. Like, I don't really feel like, guys, I feel so down. Hey, Monday, Wednesday and Fridays workout days for that gym thing I told you about that I joined. So yeah, on the rest of the other days I just like take walks just to keep my body moving. This fitness journey, it's going, but am I going with it? I'm running my first marathon on the 1st of August. Please in the chat, am I ready? That is the question, but we are gonna do it. Because my sister was like, she called me, like, it was a long time ago. She signed me up for like this marathon like a long time ago. So she's someone who normally like runs marathons. So she called me on this random day and then she was like, I'm signing up for this marathon. Can I also sign you up? And then I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, sure. And then, yeah. So I'm excited. My first 5K. I hope I finish it in less than an hour, guys. Otherwise my nephews are gonna laugh at me and I'm gonna cry if they laugh at me. If you're still watching, I love you so much. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe as well. It feels better like this side. Hi Pookies! Hi guys! It's later on in the evening and then we're going to the gym. I'm with my nephew walking backwards because he's actually flashing on me because there's no light. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're still watching and you're enjoying this video, leave a heart comment or something down below. I don't know. And then yeah, let's get to 100 subscribers, I guess.
For me.
Guys, look who's here to see me. So after gym, someone came to see me, and then I told him I want ice cream. Even if you don't. I got my ice cream. Someone got a pie because he's a big back. Thank you, my friend. Tell my YouTube something. Tell my YouTube something. Am I a good girlfriend?
She's not.
I'm not a good girlfriend.
She's the female version of Osama bin Laden.
What's that even supposed to mean, babe? What do you mean by that?
Stop. What do you mean by that?
I don't bother him.
At the moment, I feel like Iran.
Can you please talk things that make sense? So guys, I got my ice cream. I've actually never had this flavor before. This is the chocolate cookie crumble. I hope it's nice. I'm gonna eat it before it melts. I look bold from this angle, ne? I don't have hair. I have cheese cup. Pookies. I don't know when was the last time I spoke to you guys, but it's been a while. I haven't been vlogging because, you know, I've just been busy. So right now I'm with Tembi. We're going to the mall because she wants to go look for something to wear tomorrow.
Hi guys.
We're going to the mall right now. Tembi wants to go look for something to wear because there's an event tomorrow at work. So we're going to Mall of Africa right now, and then yeah, we're just gonna shop around and look for something yellow. Me, I'm not gonna buy anything. Tembi is the one who's gonna buy something. I'll catch you guys later. I said I'm not gonna buy anything, but then it is what it is. But fear not, it's too revealing. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna wear a white t-shirt inside it, so it's cute. It's like a long dress. Oh, hi pookies. So we're still shopping for clothes. We're at Pick and Pay clothing right now. Tembi found something that she likes. She found a skirt, so she's gonna fit it now. Can I come with her? Thank you. The fitting rooms are cute, yeah? Jane, it's even big.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my.
I think maybe let's just check cotton on as well. I don't know, maybe we might find something there. We've been looking for outfits for like a long time. Like it's been hours. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. We're going back to Mr. Price because we found quite a few that make sense, but we're done getting what we're getting. Where is my water bottle? Water bottle, my friend. I didn't drink water today, actually. So, Tembi's man is gonna pick her up. Yeah, blessed are those who have men, guys. Shots like this, I could take one better. But yeah, my man is also picking me up. I'm gonna make Tembi try matcha, and then yeah, then we're gonna wrap it up. And also I went to drop off my other hair, this other wig that I had for when did I get it?
Last week?
I think maybe wasn't it last month? Yeah, I got it last month. I went to drop it off to get customized and everything because I want to wear it on Sunday. Babes and I are going to this other event. This vlog is gonna be very long, guys, like at least because I didn't drop a vlog. Yeah, I just closed my move ring. Pip pip cheerio. Brace yourselves, brace yourselves, guys. I'm so obsessed with myself. Me and Tembi, just the two of us, we can make it. Tembi's gonna try matcha for the first time. Ooh, I'm scared. She got the tiramisu, and then I got the strawberry cold foam matcha. What?
Superstar. been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
We just got our matcha. Tembi tried it and she said she doesn't like it. She doesn't know how to feel about it. She doesn't like it. Rated out of 10.
2.5.
2.
Yeah, 2.5. So did 2.5.
Wow. Mind you, the first time I tried the flavor that she's drinking, I enjoyed it. Today I got something different. I got the strawberry, what is it called again?
Strawberry cold foam. What?
Something.
Something, yeah.
I'd rate it, I think an 8.5 out of 10. I'm not really a matcha person, but it's good. It's good. Guys, she had a change of heart. Now she likes the
This
matcha.
is actually nice.
Because
Maybe, I don't know.
she didn't mix it properly the first time.
I think I'm gonna come back for this one again. No, for real.
Guys, she likes the matcha. Oh my gosh. So, both our men's. I had to pick
I
us
think
up.
they're friends. Like,
I think they're friends because
off.
I think maybe they planned because
Yeah.
her man is here, my man is also here, and they are parked in the same entrance.
How's that possible? How is it possible?
Are they friends?
I think so.
Very suspicious.
Detective mode on.
How would you rate it now?
Solid 8.5 out of 10.
That's
Not too
good.
sweet, it's just
It's very nice. She's enjoying it now, guys. She didn't mix it the first time. She didn't mix it properly, but now she's enjoying it. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. But yeah, I'll catch you guys whenever. So, guys, my man told me I must wait here. So he said he's gonna find me. I must wait here, I mustn't go. So I'm waiting for him right now. This is the part where we separate. I hate. I don't understand what this white. When I look to the right and I look to the left as well, I can see my man's car. What if he got lost in the mall? What if he can find me no more?
You want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, side go what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here out for myself.
What does it mean, love?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you.
Hi, my cookies. Yo, I don't remember the last time I spoke to you guys. I think it's probably when Timmy and I were at the mall, or when my man picked me up. There's an event later on. I'm gonna leave now because I don't want to be late. I'll show you guys my outfit of the day later on, but I ended up taking this this freaking thing. Because yesterday, Timmy and I were looking for outfits and I found this dress. And then I wound up not taking the dress, I wound up taking this. So I'm just wearing this. And then actually I'll attach my outfit here when I take like pictures.
30-day trial before I made my mind, and it's always
Because I even got heels and everything. Well, I didn't get heels, but I have heels that I'm gonna wear. Let me stop yapping too much. I'm gonna be late for work, so I need to skedaddle. I'll chat to you guys later. I feel like life is much easier now because we got a tripod and I won't have to hold my phone like with my hand anymore. So exciting times. Did I forget my AirPods? I forgot my AirPods. Hey, going back. I want to tell you guys what happened yesterday. So what happened yesterday was after work, Tempe and I was like, girl, I don't have anything yellow to wear. Yo, I was like, I don't have anything yellow to wear. And then she was like, yo, me too. And then I'm like, so what are we gonna wear tomorrow? Because they said touch of yellow, what. And then she was like, let's just take a risk and go to Mall of Africa. And I was like, okay, let's go. Me, I thought I wasn't gonna get anything because I was gonna wear this other yellow top that I already have. So plans changed and I got something. So, and I love this top, guys. Yo. It's so cute. It's very, very cute.
trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want how much.
I made it to work. Oh, so it's 7:46. I'll catch you guys later. Our food is here. Steak, this wors, this chicken, and a bun and some shakalaka with a Coke. All this for 95 rand. Amazing. Look at Tembi's food. She's already eating. She has a whole chilies in there. Yeah. I just finished eating and all I can say is wow. Wow.
The food was lekker.
Let me show you guys my plate. The remains of my plate. The remains.
Mine.
I'm gonna put on my heels and then I'm gonna go take pictures of Tembi. Guys.
You're looking cute. You know.
Yeah.
What happened?
To us. So, story time. Guys.
So?
Sakere, I told you guys in the morning, I was like, there's an event, man. I went to work looking all cute. I shop when I get to work. A colleague of mine, Shivene, she's like, how Tlank, you look so cute. This is the shade of yellow that I want for next week. And then in my mind, I'm like, next week? What's
What
happening
you talking
next
about?
week?
Like,
I open my emails. I see that the event is next week on the 6th of July. No, August, sorry. And then it said you were supposed to RSVP on the 31st, which is today. So we saw that date, today.
you were like, tomorrow. Kanti. And then she told me, but like I couldn't walk because
Tembi came wearing heels.
imagine installation.
She even installed her
And
hair.
my first time installing my hair. How did I come?
Oh, OTD.
OTD buruku ba Mr. Pricey. Chikipa cha Mr. Pricey. Jay-Z stole it from my sister.
Gietta.
Heels from Mr. Pricey.
Okay, my turn. I'm not gonna stand up because I'm lazy. I'm wearing this cardigan from Mr. Price. I'm wearing jeans from Mr. Price as well. And I'm wearing this bodysuit from... Where did I get it? I'm not sure. But yeah. And I'm wearing these earrings from Shein. Watch from Shein. And then I have my gold heels.
From Shein.
From Shein. I love these heels so much. I wore them for my birthday last year. They are gold. I'm a gold bone.
I'm a gold digger.
Gold bone, yeah, Papa Penny. What?
Who had
What?
Eminem on the first album? Who had Kanye say she?
So she what? I'm just gonna do my lip combo real quick. I'm gonna take pictures. I guess Magdalos
What's
Ethan.
after? It's your bag.
Back.
Oh.
Oh. Mara still, I guess Magdalos because yay. Yay.
Yeah.
Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. Yeah. So we are coming in with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Going to rise and boast. Yeah.
At the salon that I dropped off my wig, and I'm just waiting for my Uber right now, and then I'm gonna go. Oh my gosh, Lufuno's here, guys. I missed her so much. Can't wait to get Lufuno's here. And then tomorrow we are running. I was gonna be here in 2 minutes. I'm just like, honestly, something just ruined my mood, and now I'm just like, but I will be good as the day goes. Oh, I can't wait to change my wig because I've been wearing this wig forever.
We give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like fun. But thank God for the journey, the journey that us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all coming right back.
Guys, I'm at home now, and look who I'm with. The food is here. Okay, so guys, before I forget, I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got. This is from last week, and then this is from yesterday. From yesterday, I got this cardigan that I'm wearing here, and then these tights that I wanna wear tomorrow when we run. New ones. I got them in a size medium. And then and some things I took out of this bag because I wore them. Like these jeans that I'm wearing right now. And then I got this dress. This is from last week. From 260 to 120. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys later. I'm actually gonna start editing this vlog, cause hey, there's just a lot of clips, guys. Yo. I need this vlog to be released not this Sunday, because Sunday I'm going somewhere. My hair is so itchy. Sunday I'm going somewhere, and then I think maybe Sunday at night mara eshininge khavi zvaite hamara azvite okay, maybe Monday. Mara, who's gonna watch my vlog on a Monday? Because people are busy on Mondays. Who's gonna watch my vlog on a Monday, Rufuna? Yo. Go. I'll catch you guys later. Hi, my cookies. So it's race day today. Look, I'm scared. Everybody's ready. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Your forehead is big.
But I'm gonna finish this race in 20 minutes, 5 kilometers.
Guys, he says he's gonna finish 5 kilometers in 20 minutes.
Because I'm the GOAT.
So I'm planning to finish it in like less than an hour, or maybe an hour. We're about to leave now, guys. I feel like life has been so much easier ever since we got a tripod, eh?
Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey that us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we board then only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit say I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like.
Hi, my cookies. This is me after we're done with the race. The photos at the back. Guys, that was good. That was good. I finished the race in like 57 minutes. I'll attach a screenshot. Medal Monday. You guys will know me well. Hi guys, we back now. I just finished taking a shower. I just want to show you guys everything that we got. Like, we got a goodie bag. So we got these Simbas. Didn't even know that Lucky Star has noodles, honestly. These biscuits, sunscreen. I've been meaning to try this because I've been seeing a lot of people using it, so we'll see how it goes. You got 3 samples of this. Coke, Coca-Cola, washing powder sheets. I love these wipes. This little cute body wash thing. Every sunscreen, and this clear thing. This intimate wash, custard. Make sure you're gonna have this now as a snack. Roll on. We got tea bag. We got Nando's hot sauce. This super C thing. I don't know what this is, but it's probably candy. An antiperspirant. Bless me. I'm tired. So I'm gonna separate all these things. I'm gonna take whatever that needs to go to the kitchen. I'm gonna take it there. And I'm just gonna pick all the other toiletries. Yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Yamina na wina chaila. And I vloggy like for the rest of the night. I need to rest. I'm just gonna put on a little face mask and then I'm just gonna rest because tomorrow it's gonna be a long day as well. Morning cookies, how you guys doing? So I'm currently rushing to church, guys. I'm gonna go for the 9:45 service because I have other plans after church. So
Hello, brother. Say I just saw ya. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're falling on it, man. Me have to come back for the journey, to just be the plus. Let me tell you my story. Yeah. Just so blessings upon me. You know, some person ignited. But the music get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But I'm good for the journey, the earning, the dust to the clocks. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all for my return. What's a toast for the friends, but they clock to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we put that only set the road and make one with the road.
Yo guys, my sinuses are acting up. The aircon at church, there's a shopping center called Waterfall Walk. I'm just gonna wait for my boyfriend to come pick me up because he had stuff to do, so we're not able to go to church together. So he said he's gonna pick me up after church. In the meantime, while I wait for him, I think I might as well get some toiletries because there's a Clicks here. I wanted a discount, but there's a Clicks here, so I'm just gonna get stuff that I need or I'm missing. So I made a list so that I don't forget. Let me show you guys my outfit. I am done at Clicks. I was getting a few toiletries. So right now I'm just gonna go to Hall to get some ice cream while I wait for my boyfriend. I probably shouldn't be doing that because my sinuses are just like acting up and I'm like, oh.
What does it mean, love?
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind.
I'm a pookies. So, guys, honestly, once my sinuses start flaring up, I just don't want anything. I don't even want to go where we're going anymore because I know there's going to be a lot of dust and walking. That's if we make it in time, because on the website it said that they close at 1, but last year they actually closed at 4, so I don't know, just have to hope for the best. We're at the garage now and we are putting petrol. Yeah man, like church was amazing. Today's service, I was like, I felt like, I don't know, I felt a lot of things. They sang my favorite song, Worthy is the Lamb who was slain and seated on the throne. Yo guys, that song does something to me, honestly. And then there's this other one they sang after that, You're Worthy of It All. Yo guys, like those two songs, they just do something to me. Anyways, babes went into the garage, but at least I took medication for my for my for my sinuses, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna feel better because I've just been sneezing. Why is it taking so long to come back? Did they steal him? Oh, here he comes. Guys, you know what's name? What bores me about my man is like he's always wearing a hat. I just wish I could take this hat and like burn it. I wanna burn this hat so bad. Like, and he loves it so much. Like, yo, I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this vlog. I haven't started editing a single thing. I still have a lot of like just a lot of clips that I need to edit that are sitting in my gallery, and I don't know where I'm gonna start. But hence I'm saying this vlog, when am I gonna upload it? I don't know. But I'll talk to you guys whenever I have motion going on. Pip pip cheerio.
It's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Lo mein is child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she make it shake, bringing that back till the back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want her much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policy, she can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna.
Guys, we're getting drinks now. My phone is gonna switch off, so I won't be able to get content for you guys. Hi my pookies. Yo guys, my phone died. We left the event now, and then now we're currently on our way to go see my in-laws. Just gonna spend the rest of the afternoon with them, and then I just wanted to come here and end this vlog because I still need to edit, guys, and it's a lot of clips that I need to do. This vlog is going to be very long. Like, I think it's going to be the longest vlog I've ever posted. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. So I'll catch you guys on the next vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.